Hey everybody, it's Sam again with MobileTechVideos.com. I'm back again today to show you guys a pretty cool software feature of most Samsung phones. Definitely all the Galaxy series that are running TouchWiz. So hang out and we'll take a look at it. So I've got my Galaxy Note 2 here, and I recently updated it to the 4.3 ROM firmware. This is actually a custom ROM that someone made based on the 4.3 firmware. But there's this really cool feature of Samsung TouchWiz that not a lot of people talk about, so I wanted to do a real quick video showing you guys it. Everybody is pretty much familiar with the basic TouchWiz layout, and not just TouchWiz but Android in general. You've got your widgets and you have your dock at the bottom here, and dock is usually static and the widgets are on the different home screens. That's what we tend to be familiar with. Now if you have a vision impairment, for example, or perhaps are just not technically savvy, this may be kind of daunting to you, having the different widgets and choosing different sizes and where to put what on what screen, and the dock down at the bottom. The icons are kind of small, the labels are kind of small when there are labels. Some things are not even labeled, so it can be kind of confusing. So Samsung has thrown in this really cool feature of their TouchWiz UI, which is what this all is, the skin over top of Android. And this feature is called the Easy Mode. Now if you go into your settings, if you're in 4.3 or higher, it's in the display settings. You'll find the Easy Mode setting, and this is where you can turn on or off Easy Mode. Gives you a little preview there of what it looks like, and you can tell that it's just a simplified version of the launcher. Now as I said, I'm running a custom ROM, and the individual that developed this custom ROM went ahead and added it to its own launcher. So if I just click on that and can click it again here, it launches right into the Easy Mode, and there you go. So you see it's a very large icon, simplified, graphically striking version of the typical launcher, and you've got everything you need. So everything is easy to see, easy to read, it's easy to access all the features that you need to. Click on the clock, it goes to the clock. You have 3 pages here. The one to the right are most used applications, and these are customizable. You can change these if you want. If you need to get to your app drawer, it's down there, and you see it's a vertical scrolling list of all your apps. White background with bold text, large font, and easily seen icons. Your home screen has just a few main commonly used shortcuts. And then to the left here, for some reason it's not working on my version, but this would be contacts. Frequently used contacts with big pictures, and you can customize that. For some reason it says it's having trouble loading the widget. And then if you click that, it'll take you to your call log. Now if you hit your menu button, you have settings, and it's a simplified version of the settings with the most common ones that you may need: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sound, and such. If you do need to get to your regular settings menu, you can just click on that and it takes you there. Your notification panel still works, as well as the quick toggles notification shade. So there you go, guys. This is a real quick look at the Easy Mode on most Samsung based devices. If you're having trouble either seeing the traditional Android layout with the widgets and the small icons, or perhaps it's just a little too much for you, I recommend checking this out. Alright guys, well thank you very much for watching. Once again, this was Sam with MobileTechVideos.com. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.